Welcome to Silk Logic's Small Business Daily Podcast, your daily news update on artificial intelligence and automation for business owners. Today, we have a real game changer involving rare disease patients and a behind-the-scenes look at how Canva is becoming a powerhouse for creative teams everywhere. Let's dive in. First up, imagine slashing years off the wait for new rare disease treatments while giving families much-needed hope and practical help. That's what Citizen Health is doing with artificial intelligence. Founded by Nasha Fitter and Farid Vij, this platform acts as an AI advocate for families dealing with rare genetic diseases. The challenge? For rare diseases, information is scattered and parents often end up searching online chat groups for guidance. Citizen Health brings together medical records, genetic details, and patient experiences to answer questions, connect families, and even link pharmaceutical companies to real cases for research. Their dataset covers over 8,000 patients and 350 diseases. Here's the kicker. With this data-driven approach, therapy development timelines are down by up to 50%, and some foundations have even skipped massive clinical trial costs. One group saved $80 million by using data-driven endpoints, not placebo arms. For small medical practices or nonprofits, the takeaway is to think about how practical data collection and artificial intelligence can transform both care and costs, especially if you're facing an information gap. Switching gears, small business branding just got a major upgrade with artificial intelligence, without losing your unique touch. VistaPrint's new AI LogoMaker is making a splash, especially for owners who want professional branding but dread high costs or generic results. Here's the issue. Most DIY tools spit out the same stale designs or low-res graphics that fall apart on real-world products. VistaPrint's tool is different. It uses 2 decades of design smarts to create logos from scratch, no recycled clip art. Business owners guide the process, tweak colors, fonts, and layouts, and walk away with print-ready files for signs, shirts, and social posts. The best part? You get plenty of creative control, and free credits let you try different styles before deciding. The caveat: you can use your logo anywhere, but you cannot register it for exclusive trademark or copyright since artificial intelligence is in the mix. For entrepreneurs just starting, this is a fast, affordable way to build a visual identity, with easy access to a human designer if you want something totally unique or legally protected. Next up, Canva is taking bold steps beyond design software, aiming to be your entire content engine. They just acquired SimTheory, an artificial intelligence asset generator, and Ordo, a marketing automation company. They're also partnering with SmartCat, which offers an artificial intelligence translation agent that adapts your designs for global audiences in one click. The challenge for enterprises is juggling too many disconnected apps and struggling with consistency. Canva is now pitching itself as a one-stop shop: create, automate, and publish all within the same ecosystem. A recent survey found nearly 2/3 of companies want a single platform instead of many point solutions, and almost half expect to save up to 15% by consolidating their stack. For small and mid-sized businesses, this trend means you'll soon have access to tools that large enterprises use, making high-level marketing and brand control much more accessible and cost-effective. Shifting to animation, Cartwheel, a new startup founded by former OpenAI and Google insiders, is giving creators real control over artificial intelligence-powered animation. Today's generative animation feels like a black box. You type a prompt and hope for the best, usually ending up with clunky results. Cartwheel flips the script. Their tech converts everyday video into detailed 3D movement, providing a starting point that animators can edit as much as they want. This means you can easily personalize, move the camera, or adjust character poses after artificial intelligence has done the tough technical work. The big win? No more artificial intelligence sameness. Creators get speed and freedom while keeping their unique style. For any business thinking about animated content, be it explainer videos or social media, this means you can keep creativity front and center while streamlining the most time-consuming parts. Finally, there's big news in the artificial intelligence chip race. Japan's government is pouring $16 billion into Rapidus, a startup aiming to make advanced chips for artificial intelligence, robotics, and quantum computing by 2027. Their first client is Fujitsu, and partners include giants like International Business Machines and ASML. Why does this matter? Cutting-edge chips are still in short supply, and whoever wins this race will shape the global tech landscape, especially as companies from Elon Musk's ventures to Apple fight for chip capacity. Rapidus faces massive hurdles, but with enormous government backing and global partnerships, there's real momentum. For business owners, the broader takeaway is that supply chain changes and growing government investment in artificial intelligence hardware could open up new tech opportunities and boost innovation in sectors that rely on more affordable, accessible chips. That wraps up today's top stories. We explored how artificial intelligence is bringing practical change to healthcare, design, marketing, animation, and even manufacturing. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and visit our website for more resources. Thanks for tuning in, and see you tomorrow on Silk Logic's Small Business Daily podcast.